So it's Sunday, August 16th. It's about 7:15 a.m. in the morning. I would normally be sitting out here having my breakfast, uh, enjoying the peaceful and relaxing nature of my neighborhood, listening to the odd bird, but just listening to the silence. But of course, since July 4th, because of the Next Health MRI chiller machine that they placed between these three hard tiled walls, I've had to listen to this noise 24/7. I can't even sleep in my bedroom with my window open now because this is all I hear.